Top 10 biggest airplane in the world. So top 10 biggest airplane in the world. What does the large mean? The first is at number 2.225. Topping the list, an aircraft that literally stand in category of its own, the An 225 Mriya, whose name translates to dream in Ukraine. It needed a dream to engineering at human engineering strength with a maximum takeoff weight of whopping 640 tons 1 point and 225 Mriya was first put the sky in 1988. Despite an enormous size, the aircraft wings stretch out an impressive 8.4 meter with the mere 84 meter in length. Markable only an bold a second unit was the construction when the Soviet Union escalated has since remained incomplete as storage capacity. Unfortunately, the single operational and was destroyed during the Russian invasion of Ukraine in 2022. The aircraft at the airfield near Pen was attacked. The Ukraine state-owned manufacturer of the Antonov announced that aircraft will be rebuilt at the cost $500 million with the aim to recover from Russia. Escalade composite say hello to the straight launch, or as some may call in Roche, the brainchild of scaled position was originally built for the system to carry air launch to orbit Alto rocket. With the change in ownership, its purpose shifted toward offering air launch hypersonic flight testing. The beast of an aircraft emerged into public eye in December 2011 and finally saw the light day May 2017. The secret launch then took to the skies there the first time in April 13, 2019, making a bittersweet milestone. Shortly after the passing of founded Paul Allen, the straw launch is eye-catcher with a unique twin but was set apart from the all other wingspan with impressive wingspan 385 feet. It straighted past the previous record held by the Now you might be wondering about the payloader. Thus, you can carry string pounds as maximum takeoff weight pound. However, operation hit the passing May 2019, shortly after his first flight. By June that year, all companies' assets, including were up for sale. The trade turned in October 2019 when Serbia's capital management system, including the aircraft, with the renewed focus on high-speed flight test service. The Travelodge made a comeback as the April 2023. This behemoth has taken flight 10 times, including 3 with hypersonic test aircraft with new considered fully operationally Airbus A380. Next on the list is Airbus, an incredible feat of aviation engineering that's many of us having likely conscious on long haul flight launched by European manufacturer Airbus. The aircraft revolutions we think about commercial air travel. The Airbus A380 stand out the crowd due to sheer size, where body aircraft boasts two full-length passenger deck can comfortable seat between 5 to 5 and 853 people depending on the seating arrangement. This capacity made the world's largest passenger airline. The A380 through more than just big plan. It also equipment with the state-of-art technologies in design future aimed and enhancing the passenger experience. These include special seating area, advanced entertainment system, and quieter cabins. Unfortunately, despite innovation and passenger appeal, has faced commercial challenges, high operational cost, and a chance airplane model from the hub and spoke to point have affected in popularity. The final A380 rolled off production line in 2021. So Lockheed C5 Galaxy. Let's shift gear into the named military aviation. Made the Lockheed C5 Galaxy and American military transport aircraft that Titan and the on-ride built by Lext. The C5 Galaxy is one of the largest military aircraft in the world. The C5 Galaxy has unique high-wing design with 4 engine of deliveries and amount of thrust. It's built to carry large heavy cargo over international distance. In fact, its cargo hold so but the C5 is not just about the raw cargo capacity. It boasts a host to advanced features like this ability to kneel down to cargo loading and impressive range that allow it to fly vast distance without needed to fuel. Let also not forget its unique ability to refuel in flight, a capability that's known as the aircraft. On the list here, the Nock C5 Galaxy as real workhorse of the US military has been service of over 50 years, even though its initial introduced in the late 1960s. Continuous upgrade and reformulation gained relevant and military operation. Whether transportation drops, delivery station equipments, or momentary at the C5 Galaxy is up to the task. So here is the number 5 and number 6 is Boeing 747. Number 7 is Boeing Dreamlifter. Number 8 is Atnover A220 Number 9 is XB70, and the last is Airbus Belgua XL. So thank you so much.